Yes, my people. Watch this
back.
now. What we're doing right now is taking care of some burn holes. If you want to know what to do, watch this video. It's going to show you how to repair burn holes. You need a really sharp scissors, and you need a glue gun and some patience and a little skill. Okay? Pay close attention. Watch and subscribe. Thank you. All right, for this, we basically took that carpet, those fibers from behind a door, usually from a room that doesn't really get too much attention, okay? Just somewhere inconspicuous, and that's all you need, man. You put a little bit in. You don't need a lot, because all you're gonna do is just tap it in there really nice, really careful. You gotta be really gentle. All right, you just tap it in. All right, remember to subscribe, guys. Thank you.